just let me know what you're feeling.
हाय गाइस, वेलकम टू अ न्यू व्लॉग। आज का व्लॉग होने वाला है दोस्तों बहुत ही यूजफुल, स्पेशली उन लोगों के लिए जिनको स्किन का प्रॉब्लम होता है, क्योंकि आज मैं दिखाने जा रही हूँ मैं अपनी स्किन डॉक्टर को। दिस इज़ द थर्ड टाइम आई एम मीटिंग हर। इससे पहले मैं ऑलरेडी 2 बार मिल चुकी हूँ उनसे। मैंने बहुत सारा सलाह लिया है, उनसे एक ट्रीटमेंट भी करवाई है। तो मैंने सोचा इस बार मैं आप लोगों को मेरे साथ लेके जाती हूँ, सो दैट आप लोगों को भी थोड़ा फ़ायदा हो। और मैंने इंस्टाग्राम पे ऑलरेडी एक पोस्ट डाला है कि मैं डॉक्टर के पास जा रही हूँ, तो इफ़ यू हैव एनी क्वेश्चंस देन यू कैन आस्क मी। तो देखते हैं क्या क्या सवाल आते हैं, और मेरे पास भी बहुत सारे सवाल हैं जो मैं उनको पूछूंगी। इसलिए इस बार मैं पूरी तैयार होकर जा रही हूँ कि उनको मैं बहुत कुछ सवाल पूछूंगी आपके तरफ से, जो जनरल क्वेश्चंस होता है, जो मुझे बहुत सवाल होता है, क्वेश्चंस पूछना होता है, वो मैं करूँगी। सो गाइज प्लीज़ कीप ऑन वॉचिंग दिस ब्लॉग। और आज सिर्फ मैं अपने ट्रीटमेंट के लिए नहीं जा रही हूँ, मैं जा रही हूँ मैं अपने हस्बैंड के ट्रीटमेंट के लिए भी डॉक्टर के पास। और वो क्या है हम अभी नहीं बताएंगे, उधर जाके आपको पता चलेगा। सो या कीप ऑन वॉचिंग, ये बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग एंड बहुत ही यूजफुल होने वाला है ये व्लॉग आपके लिए। कीप ऑन वॉचिंग। सो नाउ वी हैव रीच्ड द क्लिनिक। दिस इज द क्लिनिक वन हेल्थ मेडिकल केयर। तो लेट्स गो इनसाइड।
So last time we did a fruit peel or something, AHA peel. So this time we do like a combination peel. What we do is your main requirement is that your acne, your pigmentation, and you want a glowy skin.
Yeah.
Right, that is what everybody wants.
Everybody wants, yeah. And also I want my acne to be reduced.
Yeah. So what we'll do is we'll do this session. We'll start off with a peel, where this has contents like glycolic 30%, which is actually very good for pigmentations to reduce, your dead skins to come out. Then there's kojic acid, which is good to brighten your skin. Then there is again lactic acid, which is a very mild peel, which is again going to remove all your dead skins. So this along with something called glowing powder. I'll show you that. So this is additional powder which you use only with a gel kind of peel, chemical peel, not a water-based peel. So we just add a little bit of glowing powder so that patient even see some glow on the face. Okay, so no peels are going to show immediate result. With 3 to 4 multiple session of peels, the patient starts to see the result. So this is the peel we are using. We are using Sesderma peel. So we'll be using 33% glycolic acid and 5% kojic acid, 2% alpha-arbutin acid. All these acids are going to reduce her pigments and it will work even on the dead skins. So even she has a little bit of acne, which will all cover up. So she even needs some kind of glow. So this is the glowing powder. We add a very minimal powder just to give her an instant glow. So she is used just to clear out if you use anything, any moisturizer or any dust on your face, we'll just clear with the saline. You'll feel little tingling kind because this glowing powder is nothing but vitamin C powder. It's like a pure form of vitamin C. So this is something which can give you instant glow, but you will see some kind of a normal, bearable kind of a tingling feeling. Okay.
Yeah.
So I'll just put 2 scoops of it. We'll keep for 3 minutes because this is a totally different peel.
Okay. 3 minutes का time है.
So when you start, right? So we'll start with 3 minutes for the first sitting. So then we'll continue it, like increase the time, like 4, 5. So just let me know what you're feeling. Are you feeling any kind of dry feeling?
It's okay. Pimples are feeling
Like
burning a little bit.
but is it bearable, not bearable?
Yeah.
So then we have to observe if you're having any redness. Anywhere you're feeling like a burning?
Only here.
Only there.
That's all. And one here. But
It's okay.
Yeah.
So this is a cold water. So we'll keep it for, so maximum what we can keep is 5 to 7 minutes. So for the first sitting, we usually go for 3. If the patient is able to bear it, we'll keep for another 2 minutes. Because this is her third session. So initially, I'll just remove all the chemical. Now we'll experience a slight burning. Okay. So we're taking completely the chemical out of your face. So more burning here because of the acne. Okay.
This is what body?
Stand. So this is not a chemical. This is just to remove the chemical out from your face. Completely. Even if you remove the chemical with water, few are going to remain on the skin. And especially for a glycolic acid, we usually do that. We have to neutralize it. Because it's a AHA, we have something called AHA and BHA. So for this, we use a neutralizer to neutralize the chemical. So I'll just give you some cold compress. So you're not going to use soap for 48 hours. Okay.
But she can wash with the water, right?
See, if you ask me that way, it's like, yes, we use water even now. But it's better to avoid. So we want this to go in deeper. So this peel has to go deeper and act. So that's the reason we leave it for 48 hours without any soap and water. Just leave it. Leave it. Apply sunscreen. That's very important. Sunscreen is a must.
I feel dry, so I can apply moisturizer and then sunscreen.
Yeah, you can apply moisturizer. No.
So now my peeling is over. So I have done glycolic acid peel, right?
Yes, you have done cis glycopene.
Glycolic.
So this is a
Yeah. So my peel is done. I can't wash my face for 48 hours. और बस moisturizer sunscreen use करना है.
Actually, I'm losing my hair. So, what we can do about it?
So how long is that you feel that the hair is, you're losing your hair?
Like it's, I'm losing hair since like 10-12 years. That this line is start receding and all.
Yeah.
And now I lost a lot of, like last 6 months I see a lot of hair I'm losing from here.
Yeah.
Earlier I used to see that I'm losing from there.
Okay.
But now I see that I'm losing from here.
Okay. So hair fall could be because of many reasons.
Okay.
So like stress could be one thing which most of us are like having it, and diet and irregular sleep patterns. This all could be because of all the present living conditions we have. Then one more thing could be genetics. So any of your ancestors, if they have seen that kind of a hair pattern.
My paternal grandfather have.
So all that could be one reason. Then the things could be like any medical conditions, like people who are having a thyroid issue, hormonal issues.
Okay.
All this could be one factor. Vitamin deficiencies, like a big vitamin B12 deficiency, vitamin D deficiency, iron deficiency. All this could be a reason for your hair fall. So it's a very good thing that you have come back to me, like you come to me at this early stage. A few people come with a complete baldness, which is very difficult to rule out. Then we have to go for a hair transplant. So right now what we can do for you is we can go for a PRP or a GFC treatment. So what is PRP is like, you draw your blood. So like you draw a 10 to 15 ml of blood. So I can show you the kit. So this is a PRP tube. So in this tube we draw about 10, we take 2 tubes and we draw about 10 to 15 ml of your blood. We centrifuge it and then we can see that there's a clear liquid coming out. So that's called plasma. So this plasma is going to get multiplied on your hair with platelets and then into a growth factors. So this is very much necessary for your hair growth. So that is PRP. So this can be done in a duration of like every month. So usually we say the patient to do it for about 6 sittings, that is every month, for to see a complete good results. There are patients who see in a single sitting a small hair follicles start developing. I mean small baby hair.
Okay.
So then if the patient is not satisfied, so we ask the patient to stop to 3 months. So with this therapy, the patient has to use a good hair serum, a good hair shampoo, and supplements have to be taken. And all the underlying things should be ruled out. Suppose if you have a thyroid issue, it has to be ruled out. Your diet has to be changed, your sleeping pattern has to be changed. So if that is about PRP, so suppose you want to go for growth factor, so this is a different tube with a different liquid in it. So this is what we are going to do is the same process. We are going to take about 10 to 15 ml of your blood, then we centrifuge it. So in this we see that there is growth factors. We are taking, the tube is going to take growth factors, which is directly going to act on your hair. When PRP, it has to multiply. The plasma has to multiply to platelet. Here directly the growth factors is helping your hair to grow faster. So it's a faster way of hair treatment.
Okay, so which one you want to do? GFC?
Yeah, let's try that then.
Yeah, then we start with GFC. So what we'll do for the patient now is, we will apply topical anesthesia. We'll keep it for 45 minutes. After that, by then we'll take your blood. We will we'll keep your blood in this for 20 minutes. And then we centrifuge it for 10 minutes. After that, we'll be starting the process.
Now इनके बारी है. He's gonna have a new hair. बेबी आपके नए बालों का मुबारक हो.
चलो पहले आने दो, ठीक है, फिर बात करेंगे.
So this anesthesia I'll apply in your hair. So let me see your hair. Yeah. So for today, what I'll do is I'll focus on this area. Okay. So we are going to remove all the anesthesia.
That cream you applied.
Yeah, the topical end. This is a cream-based anesthesia. You can remove all of it.
For dandruff, what do you think we should do on a regular basis?
So for dandruff, what we can do is wash. If a person is prone to dandruff, he can use a fungal, that is antifungal shampoo, something with a ketoconazole or something, a normal medicated one like a Lizral 2%. He can use that. The patient can use it like weekly 3 times. Keep the shampoo on the hair, leave it for 5 minutes, and then wash it off. The person who's already having a dandruff can go for it, but a person who's prone to, like, you can feel that yes, I get dandruff sometimes or dry scalpy, also can do that.
Okay.
I'll use this spray first. He's already scared now.
So he is diverting his mind in phone.
I'm sure he's not. So you're going to tell your real experience. There are still more syringes coming, they're just loading.
Okay.
So as you can see, this is his growth factor, his own growth factor.
It has come from his blood.
His blood, we have centrifuged it in a centrifuger, and this is what we have got. So this is going to help your hair grow.
How's your experience? कैसा लग रहा है बेबी?
एक्सपीरियंस जो मर्जी और रिजल्ट आना चाहिए.
That's what we're working on.
So how are you feeling after
Yeah,
JFC?
this is good. Little, actually, bit of heaviness, a little
Bit.
Yes.
So see, most patients feel that. Few patients are completely okay. They don't feel. Maybe next time you might not feel the same.
Yeah.
Now this is the first experience, so a little bit of heaviness. Nothing to worry. If you're feeling discomfort, you can just have a Dolo. But for 48 hours, you're not supposed to wash it because you already have a little bit of dandruff. So I'll prescribe you something with the antifungal. So you can use that weekly 3 days. And the hair serum in the night, every day. So this is going to help the hair growth faster. Okay, so we're done with your peel. You will feel dryness because it's a chemical peel. So you're going to feel that your skin is getting dry, your skin is getting a little darker. So this is just the initial phase of any chemical treatment. So this is that all the dead skin is all going to peel off. So you're not going to see a visible peel. So it is all like a very minute kind of peel you will be seeing. Sometimes few patients don't experience any kind of peel, so it's nothing to worry or feel disheartened with that. So it is surely going to give you results with multiple setting of chemical peels. Okay, so then I will prescribe you a night serum. This is just to reduce your pigmentations and to give you a glow. Okay, and a good face wash, and you have to use a moisturizer and sunscreen. So you're going to continue this and you'll come back to me after 3 weeks. Okay, then I'll tell you what are the next steps you will take.
Today I have posted on Instagram that I am visiting doctors. So if you have any questions, they can ask. My followers in Instagram, they have put lot of questions. Some of them I will ask you. What do we need to do for dry skin in Bangalore weather?
Yes, currently it is like very dry.
Even when I was in Kolkata, my skin was full oily. When I came here, it has suddenly become dry.
Whether it is dry or not dry, you have to drink a lot of water, plenty of water, because we are all getting dehydrated because of this situation. Drink plenty of water, then moisturize your skin. Moisturizer is very, very important.
One more question. I have too many acne marks on both of my cheeks. Like me getting married soon. What to do to get flawless skin? Similar kind of questions people ask actually.
Yeah. So see again, acne could be because of many reasons,
lot
of reasons. Because of stress that she's getting married, she wants to have a clear skin.
It happens. It happens with me also.
Yeah, sleepless nights and then diet again, mixed emotions, and then you get diet, you eat too much of sugars and oily junk food. All this will matter. So get a track on all what you have to do. Get a good diet, get a good sleep, reduce the stress. Any face wash, some content with salicylic acid 2% or something, so she can use that as a face wash. And you can just consult a dermatologist for a better treatment, because the thing is, we have to actually see the patient's face, especially what type of acne, so if it is a bacterial, if it's a kind of anything because of like the hormones related. So it's always better to visit a cosmetologist or a very professionalized dermatologist.
What can be done to get rid of post-eczema or atopic dermatitis marks?
Post-eczema, that is like PIH, like post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. They say that any kind of an acne or severe dryness is going to any kind of an acne, if you can notice on your face itself. So acne is pimples, which you call it, will leave a kind of a dark spot on the face. That is how it just fades off. So this is called as, because of any kind of inflammations, and then it is going to leave a mark. So this can be done by a good chemical peels and with the good serums and a night cream which can reduce the pigmentation. So it's better to consult the dermatologist or a cosmetologist before they go ahead with any kind of peels. things.
How to step into chemical exfoliation for beginners?
So-
This is not chemical exfoliation, but
This is chemical exfoliation.
Exfoliation,
So
huh?
what is this chemical peel is like? See, it's nothing but you manually scrub, right? So that is what we say. It's better to avoid that manual scrubbing. You're giving it like you don't know, like how I mentioned with the roller. So you don't know how much of pressure you apply, how much of pressure your skin needs. So you don't know what is it really required that to remove so much of pressure applied with the scrubs and things. So this is like a chemical exfoliation that is evenly removing out all your dead skins. So for a beginners, we always go with a very milder peel, and it's not like for beginners; it's based on skin to skin.
And
So
that,
it's like
the patient itself, herself, or cannot be done. Huh? It should be done
No.
under doctor.
it should be under doctor.
Yeah,
See,
that
because
is
you
what-
know, doctors know. See, you have glycolic 30%, 50%, 70%. So if you are not you don't know about it, what chemical peels are and the percentage, what you happen to put a 70% on your face, you're going to burn your skin.
So,
So
always
it's
do
always peels are under a dermatologist or a cosmetologist, not self. But you can see nowadays in YouTube, there are many beauty bloggers. They try
They are
to
recommending
know-
AHA, BHA of that person. You can use it. So this
Yeah.
is very dangerous to use.
It's very, very dangerous.
Expert advice required. Okay. About chemical peeling and which peel is better for skin glow and removing dark patches on skin.
Which peel is good? So if the patient has a pigmentation and what else, like a glow.
Peel better for skin glow and removing dark patches.
Dark pigmentation. So for pigmentation, see, as I mentioned, I have done a cis glycopeel for you. So
I
it
have
has, you're done that. So that has like a glycolic peel, glycolic acid 33%. That can remove the pigmentation. It can do a chemical exfoliation, remove the dead skin. It can, once your skin is clear, you automatically get that glow on your face.
So now you're moving from here. Maybe
Yeah.
you're okay now?
Yeah, I'm good now.
So she is Dr. Neetu, and she has done all this peeling and all. So if you want to check, you can definitely come here. I'll give the address of this clinic in the description box. You can definitely come and see Dr. Neetu and take her advice. Definitely it will work for you. क्योंकि मेरा तो ये third time है. And many more to come.
And she's cosmetologist, so you can ask your questions freely to her and talk to her.
Yeah.
So now we are on the way to our home. तो guys, मेरा recommendation ये है कि definitely you can go and check it out. She is not a dermatologist, she is cosmetologist. तो cosmetic वाला जो भी है आप उनसे बहुत अच्छे सलाह ले सकते हो, और इतनी अच्छी बात करती है डॉक्टर, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है. और she gives the good advice. ऐसा नहीं है कि कुछ लोग होते हैं कि बिजनेस ओरिएंटेड और समथिंग, ऐसा नहीं है. शी विल गिव यू गुड एडवाइस. मैंने तो उनको ऐसे बोल दिया था कि आप बस बोलो कि मेरे स्किन के लिए कौन सा सही है, मुझे ये चाहिए क्राइटेरिया, तो उनके हिसाब से शी सजेस्टेड मी. सेम फॉर हिम ऑल्सो, फॉर हेयर शी सजेस्टेड वॉट एवर इज द बेस्ट. तो वही हमें चाहिए डॉक्टर जो हमें अच्छा सा सजेस्ट कर सके. और मुझे ये डॉक्टर रिकमेंड किया था मेरे एक कलीग ने, जिनका मैंने स्किन पे बहुत अच्छा चेंज मैंने देखा है. उनका मार्क्स वगैरह बहुत कुछ चला गया था. फिर हेयर का जो है, उनका हेयर इधर बहुत थिन था, तो उनको भी बहुत अच्छा हेयर ग्रोथ हुआ है. तो उसी के बाद मैंने सोचा कि क्यों ना मैं अपने हस्बैंड को भी बोलूँ कि ही कैन ऑल्सो डू दैट, एंड इट्स नॉट दैट एक्सपेंसिव जो हम सोचते हैं कि हेयर ग्रोथ का बहुत एक्सपेंसिव होता है. मंथली वंस हम ये कर सकते हैं, और 6 मंथ हमें कंटिन्यू करना है, और 3 मंथ्स के बाद भी आप देख सकते हो अगर आपको बहुत अच्छा हेयर ग्रोथ हो रहा है तो यू कैन स्टॉप एंड ऑल. बट इट डिपेंड्स पर्सन टू पर्सन कैसा हेयर ग्रोथ होता है. हमेशा स्किन एंड हेयर डिपेंड करता है कि कैसा हो रहा है ग्रोथ के ऊपर.
Like major of the items are below 5, but it's depend on
Yeah.
what exactly you're getting into.
या क्लिनिक टू क्लिनिक भी वेरी करता है. सो नाउ यू आर गोइंग होम. बेबी यू आर ओके ना?
Yeah, I'm good. Yeah.
क्योंकि सबने देखा है बहुत सारे नीडल्स आपके इधर हुआ है, तो
नहीं, ठीक
उस
है.
टाइम पे थोड़ा दर्द हो रहा था. उसके बाद नाउ ही इज फाइन, एब्सोल्युटली फाइन. बट After
next-
that, the
yeah.
result will be good. Na new hair will come. That is a great thing.
Yeah, let's see. Let's see. I'm
लेट्स
really
सी
excited.
आप लोग तो देख ही सकते हो अब अभी आपका उनका जो हेयर आप देख सकते हो और 6 मंथ के बाद आप देख सकते हो उनका हेयर कैसा होगा
Yeah.
मैंने सोचा कि ये वाला जो मैं डॉक्टर के पास जा रही हूँ मैं व्लॉग करूँ क्योंकि जनरली ये सब डॉक्टर के पास जाना मैं व्लॉग नहीं करती हूँ लेकिन मुझे लगा कि आप लोगों के लिए ये बहुत यूज़फुल होगा और क्योंकि मैं एक व्लॉगर हूँ और ब्यूटी लाइफस्टाइल व्लॉगर हूँ तो डेफिनेटली मुझे ये सब शेयर करना चाहिए सो दैट आप जो है आप लोगों को भी थोड़ा सा इन्फॉर्मेशन मिले आप लोगों को भी सही गाइडेंस मिले इसीलिए मैंने आज पूरा व्लॉग किया है एंड दिस डॉक्टर इज़ फैब सो या इनका जो डिटेल्स है मैंने नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दे दिया है डेफिनेटली यू कैन go and check it out. You can call also, take an appointment. And yeah, that's all about today's video, guys. I hope it's useful. I hope you like it. If you like the video, then please hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and see you in my next video. Bye.